Hello guys, today we will speak about new verbs in Russian. We have absolutely different structure in Russian language. If you're talking about sentence, about structure of sentence in English, it'll be absolutely different in Russian. So at first, if we are talking about places, it's different. For example, in English, you should see that will be noun after verb and after something else. So in Russian it can be different, vice versa, and you should know that it doesn't mean that if in the first place in the sentence, if you are starting your sentence with a verb, it will be question. It's not like that. In Russian language, it's different, absolutely. You can mix your verbs and words in different places. So, and it will not change the meaning, by the way. Okay, for example, if you want to ask some questions, you just change intonation. I speak, for example, I speak will be я говорю. If you want to ask someone, do you speak? Okay, you are changing, but in Russian you say ты говоришь, ты говоришь. You are changing the sentence, but if I'm asking you, ты говоришь, I just change my intonation, but not words. So in English it's different. You have to understand that we have different structures, just to understand that it's absolutely two different languages. Okay, let's start from two new words. It's like говорю, it means говорить. Говорить, it's infinitive, it means speak. Or сплю, спать. Спать infinitive, it means sleep. So, if I'm talking about myself, you can see я говорю, я сплю. You see? I did it on purpose. I used two verbs at the same time. Why? To show you how this end of the verb will be changing. So, for example, these two absolutely different verbs, but the end will be the same because you are talking about yourself. Я говорю, я сплю. It means I speak, I sleep. Okay? Do you understand? Okay, if we are talking about you as a person, not in plural and single person, but I know you very well, I can say ты. Ты говоришь. Ишь at the end. Ты спишь. Ишь at the end. You see? You can see two the same end, but two different words. Two different verbs. Говоришь, ты говоришь, ты спишь. You speak, you sleep. Okay? Next one will be he, she, it. Он, она, оно. If you see, you can see here the same verb at this place. For example, you can say он говорит, он спит. I show you this end. Она говорит, она спит. Оно говорит, оно спит. You see? This is important. So different words, but if we are talking about он, она, оно, one word we are using. Okay, it's not about word, it's about end of the word, okay? So, they, они, they говорят. Они говорят. Они спят. Спят. You can see here ят at the end. Говорят, спят. Okay? We, то есть мы, means мы, говорим. We are speaking. We speak. Мы спим. Мы спим. Мы говорим, мы спим. Okay. So, if you see here also two different words but with the same end. Why? Because we have a rule. It's like even if in the same sentence you can see two or five different words, but these words will be about we, about you, about someone, he, she, it, but these words will belong to something, will be the same end. For example, я means I do a lot today. I'm doing a lot today. And what am I doing? I'm speaking, reading, I don't know, translating, watching, communicating. In. You see in English. Like, sounds like Russian, by the way. At the end, you can see the same end. If it's belong to some word, like one word, like am I talking about myself, okay? Okay. Я говорю, сплю, играю, like play, разговариваю, it means talking. You see, you at the end. If I'm talking about myself, if about you, ишь at the end. Спишь, говоришь, играешь, play. No, играешь, it's different, can be ешь at the end, but it's a different type of like group of words. Okay? So, next. Он, она, оно говорит, спит, летит, means fly, летит, something. They, они говорят, спят, летят, fly, or something like that. We, мы говорим, спим, летим. Okay? So, I think this understandable because it's not so difficult to understand, but maybe a bit hard to memorize it the first time. So let's repeat again. Open my new this video tomorrow and you can see how you memorize it slowly. Okay? I hope this lesson was so useful for you. If you have any question, ask me. If something, let me know. So see you next time.